the question often comes up where a motorcyclist is seriously injured in an accident, but they were forced off the road by a driver, and there may or may not, often there wasn't any contact with that other vehicle, but you had to lay your bike down or do something to maybe avoid a worse situation. And so that question was posed to one of our attorneys recently by someone who had laid their bike down and still been very seriously injured. The answer to that question, as the attorney explained, is we hope, well, two things. Number one, did that vehicle stay around? Do we have insurance information on that vehicle? If we do, then that's one situation. It gives you more options. Of course, we're going to see what the police officer thought about the situation. It's very common for police officers to blame motorcyclists for all or part of the accident. And of course, the driver who may have forced you off, they'll almost always have a different version of what happened, right? It shouldn't shock you. And so independent witnesses are very, very important in that situation. But worst case is that driver, just takes off. It's very common. It's like, hey, they'll say, even if your bike is spinning and you're seriously injured, they'll go, hey, no harm, no foul as far as they're concerned. Boom, they're out of there. Or they don't want to obviously wait for the police officer to show up because they've got warrants or they don't have whatever. So if a situation like that has happened to you, as the attorney explained, then the next thing that we look at is, do you have uninsured motorist coverage, either on that motorcycle or on any vehicle that you own, or any vehicle that a relative in your household owns? Do they have full coverage with uninsured motorist coverage? If they do, we may be able to use that. It's not a simple process, and that's another reason why you need to call and get legal help, because otherwise we'll just say you don't have even a prayer on your own of successfully making a claim like that without legal assistance, because insurance company will say, hey, you didn't hit the other vehicle, so you're kind of on your own. There's cases, though, we can still get compensation for our clients. So call us if that's happened to you. We really like to help out motorcycle accident victims, especially when they've been told, hey, there's nothing here. Basically, hit the road, Jack, and it won't be on your motorcycle because it's not fixed. So call us. The call is free. The information's free. And we really do this because we care about you.